What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if Bluetooth is not working on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and open quick settings panel, and from here turn on and off Bluetooth 2 to 3 times. So tap on this Bluetooth icon to turn it on, and again tap on this icon to turn it back off. Now do it 2 to 3 times, and after that the Bluetooth will start working properly. But after this, if you're still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button and then swipe down, and when this circle gets green, then you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, it will fix small software glitches like Bluetooth issues. Now after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down, and here tap on apps. Now in apps, tap on manage apps and then look for the Bluetooth app. So tap on this Bluetooth app here, then go to its storage and clear the cache memory. So to clear this cache memory, tap on clear data and then select clear cache and then tap on OK to confirm. And after clearing the cache memory, the Bluetooth will start working. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is open settings again. Tap on more connectivity options and then scroll down, and here tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. Now here tap on reset settings and then enter your lock screen pin password or pattern. So after entering the lock screen pin password or pattern, the Bluetooth settings will be resetted back to default, and after that the Bluetooth issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix if your Bluetooth is not working on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.